Okay, we're ready to test these areas out. I've got the orange cleaner. This was the orange oil. And this has been down, it probably hasn't been 15 minutes yet. I've been talking in the other room about different things on my project, and if you watch those videos, you probably think, okay, yeah, Joe, you're pretty long-winded there. You've probably talked at least 10 minutes, but hopefully you've learned stuff along the way when you listen to my videos. Okay, so now I've got a wire brush here, and I'm going to clean this and see what happens. Taking into consideration how hard I'm pushing on here, how long all of this is going to take me, if this does work. Okay, it looks like it's coming up. I could see this taking a while though. I'm going to need a few wire brushes for this. I won't have to go to the gym for a while. And I'm glad I've got that sauna still hooked up. Okay, let's try this other one here. This is that other one. I'm hoping this one's going to be easier. The way it kind of patted itself on the back about how good it was. Okay, I've not touched this since about 10 minutes ago, maybe 15. I think I should wait a little bit longer for this. In fact, I'm going to spray a little bit more on here, and I'm going to ultimately do another test for this area, and I'm going to wait an actual full 15 minutes, even longer for that. But I'm going to try this. Here we go. I was hoping this would just eat it up. I think this is going to have to sit on there a little longer too. It's taking it up, but I was hoping it would do a little bit better than that. You see the different areas I've done. And it might be about, you know, doing one bit kind of like that, and this could be getting it in there a little bit easier, and just go over one square like that, and let it sit a little bit longer, come back to it again, you know, a little bit longer from there. Let's try this over here. Maybe I can do that here as well. I'm not really thinking, I'm thinking the orange oil might be doing just as good as that other one. That's why we're doing the test. So, see. And to make a determination, do I really want to do this through all of the floors? Somebody suggested getting some sort of cleaner disc, you know, and doing that on the floors, but then you can't get the inside corners, and you're only going to get so much, and the pads are going to start gumming up and everything. I didn't really think that was much of an option. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on there. I'm going to time this one this time and let it go for an additional 15 minutes. See if I can't figure out some sort of game plan to get this off.